Alright guys, so I just solved my no start problem with my Porsche 986 Boxster. So I was driving and it stopped when I push on gas, and it stopped and it couldn't start. So first thing, I went on blogs and different YouTube videos, and people was saying that it's a MAP sensor. So I replaced MAP sensor and it's nothing, same thing. Then relay, I replaced relay, Porsche relay, start relay, nothing. I figured out that pump does not pumping. So the third one, also on the blogs, if pump doesn't doing anything, it means no signal. So I decided to replace crankshaft position sensor, and it's still nothing. And then I realized, I started remembering that my tank was actually empty when I was driving, and I forgot to put fuel. So today I decided to get some fuel and I put in my tank, and my no start problem fixed. So you can laugh at me that I'm stupid, but this is crazy. I was laughing at myself because I spent about 300 bucks and there is no success. And sometimes what I realize that in our life, sometimes we are looking for hard answers. We're looking like to do the hard way, but simply all I needed to do just to put some gas in my tank. So this is a really good lesson for our life, that sometimes it's much simpler. The solutions that we're looking for, it's much simpler, that we just want to do hard way. We just want to like pursue something really hard, but sometimes it's just so simply just buy some gas and put in your tank, in your car will start and run perfectly, and it's ready to drive. So today is a sunny weather on North Carolina. Here is my daughter. What are you doing there? And we're gonna enjoy sun. So see you next time.